students, today we are take first the homework of the 1.1 that one of the student is say that 1.1 homework question number 2, sir please explain. So let me take that example first. So whatever be the query, x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. This is the homework questions, and that the student said, sir please explain this again. So here is the first is given x plus y is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 0. So here is y is right as it is here, but this x can be go equal across the equal side. So this x can go across the equal side. So this plus x become minus x. So we are getting y is equal to minus x. So in this equation you can be take any variable across side. Suppose some of the student x kept here and this y's go at that side equal sides, then they are get x is equal to minus y. Okay, what I say, are you understand? Means suppose I am kept y at this side, means that at the right hand side, then here is x can be go here. So this x can be go to the equal side, so that x is positive, that become negative. Are you understand? You can do anything, means if you kept x here, no problem, then you get x is equal to minus y. Okay, what I say, are you understand? Means if you kept x at this side, so this is the left hand side, if you kept x left hand side and y is go towards the right hand side, then you get equation x is equal to minus y. Okay, this is also correct. But suppose I am take this y is kept at left hand side and this x is go across the equal side, so this plus x become minus x. So I get equation y is equal to minus x. Y is equal to minus x. So here is what the value of the y and value of the x, they are the same. Why I am saying they are the same? Because y is equal to x, they are said y is equal to x, means whatever be the value of y, that is equal to value of x. But whatever be the value you are taken of x, that must be negative. Means you are taken value y and x same, but x values when you write there you give negative sign. Okay, so see, here is the x value I am taken minus 2. I again explain that which value is according to your mind, that value you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can take 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, whatever it may be. There is no compulsion that the which value teacher take and that value you are take. It is not compulsory. You can take any value from 1 to 4, 0 to 1 to 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, whatever you want, that you are take very easily. Okay, so I am taken x is equal to minus 2. So if x is equal to minus 2, whatever be the value of x, that is equal to y. So it is minus 2, so y is equal to only 2, because the value of x having negative sign. So if here is minus 2, then y is equal to, you are getting 2. Then another x is equal to, I am taken 0. So all of my students remember that this 0 having no sign, it is not a positive or it is not a negative. So it is 0, 0. So don't show here minus 0. Okay, because 0 is such a number, that number is not a positive and not a negative. That must be remember. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, value is same. X is equal to, you are taken 2, but that is minus value here. So here is x value minus 2, so y is here is taken plus 2. So suppose plus 2, so x is written here 2, out of bracket negative sign, so this plus 2 become minus 2. So you are getting y is equal to minus 2. Are you understand? Then x is equal to taken 5. So here is I write x value 5, out of bracket negative sign, so this plus 5 become minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5. Okay, such a way we are getting x coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 2, both having equal value, so equal, only the difference is sign. So x coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 2. Here is both are negative, negative having never positive or never negative, 0 having never positive or never negative, so 0 is right as it is. So x 0, y 0. Then x value is taken positive 2, so here is the right x positive 2, but out of bracket negative sign, so positive 2 become negative 2, so y is equal to minus 2. So here is first number is always x coordinate, so it is 2, and second is always y coordinate, so it is -2. Then x value I am taken 5, so I write here x value 5, but out of bracket negative sign, so plus 5 become -5, so y is equal to 5. Such a way I write here x coordinate 5 and y coordinate -5. Such a way this equation is completed and that equation table is also completed. Then I am taken another equation. This is 2x minus y is equal to 9. This is the equation. So if this -5 go across, it become plus y. So this -5 go across, it become plus y. So here is y. Then this plus 9. So this plus 9 go across, it become -9. Okay, what I say, are you understand my student? See, this is the -y. So that -y go across, it become plus y. So this 2x is remain as it is. But across equal sign there is 9. So 9 is positive. So when that go across, it become minus. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. This is the equation you are getting here. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. So which value according to your mind? The x value is according to your mind. Means whatever be the value of x that you are taken by your mind, and you are put the value of x here and solve this equation, then you get y value. Are you understand my student what I say? See here, 2x minus y is equal to 9. This is the equation. So what can I first do? This -5 is go across, it become plus y. So here is it become plus y. So here is I write y only, because that is go across the equal side. So that go across the equal side. So -5 is become plus y. So here is I write y. Then this 2x is remain as it is, plus 9. So that plus 9 go across, -9. So y is equal to 2x minus 9. So this equation you are getting, you put the value of x here according to your mind. Means you can take value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. That value you are right there. Solve this equation, then you get value of y. So I start the value of x taken for 0. So I am taken x value 0. So x value is taken 0. I already explained in the last lecture also. If 0 is multiplying any number, then you get the answer 0. Because 0 is multiplying any number, then you get 0. So 2 into 0, you get 0. 2 into 0, 0. So here is 0. So 0 minus 9. What you get? 0 minus 9, you get -9. So x value is 0, y value is -9. Then x value I am taken 4. So some of the students are thinking that, sir, you are already explained the number must be kept is smaller number. But here I take 4 and 5. Why? You can just see. Because that number is multiplying to 2 and then subtract. So whatever with the after subtraction you are getting, answer is negative. So that answer you are getting is smaller. So I am taking bigger number. So see, x value I am taken 4. So 4 to z, x value is 4. So 4 into 2, 8. 4 to z. 8 is positive, 9 is negative. Sign is not same. Subtract. 9 minus 8. What is remain? 1. Bigger number sign, minus. So I write here minus. So x is 4, y is -1. Then x value I am taken 5. So 5 to the 10. 2 5 the 10. 10 minus 9. What is remain? 1. So here is y value is 1. So x is 5, y is 1. Then x value I am taken 6. So kept here 6. 6 to the 12. So we are getting 12. 12 minus 9. What you get? 12 minus 9? 3. So I write here 3. Such a way you are getting x value 0. So 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus -9, you get y value -9. So x coordinate 0, y coordinate -9. Then you are taken x value 4, kept here x value 4, 4 to the 8, 8 minus 9 is not possible. So 9 minus 8, what is remain? 1. Bigger number sign, positive, negative. So I write answer -1. So x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is -1. Then x coordinate is 5. So 2 5 are 10. 10 minus 9, 1. So x coordinate 5 and y coordinate 1. So 5 and 1. X coordinate 6. So 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 9, what is remain? 3. So y coordinate 3. So x coordinate 3, y coordinate 3. So we are getting 6 and 3. Such a way, both the tables you are getting here. So with help of that table, you must be draw the graph. So how can you draw the graph? First you draw the x-axis such a way. This is the x-axis. Afterwards you draw the y-axis. So when you are plot the x-axis and y-axis, you draw on the graph paper, Then you may write a scale on the upper portion. Scale on the upper portion of the graph paper. That scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Both axes means x-axis and y-axis. So here is scale 0 to 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 1 centimeter, 2 to 3 1 centimeter. So this 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So here increases by 1 number these numbers. Okay. So here I take 0 to 6 on x-axis and here is 0 to -4 on x dash. So this is the x and this mirror image of this is x dash. This is the y, mirror image of y is y dash. Then here also the distance can be 1 centimeter, 1 2 3 4. So because there is a written scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so first you can take the table and with help of table we can plot a points. So first x plus y is equal to 0 means this point you must be taken. So first point they are given positive 2 and with the positive 2 they are said. So x coordinate is positive 2 and y coordinate is negative 2. So I kept the cursor on a positive 2 and just finding where is the negative 2 and y axis. So here I get that negative 2 on the y axis. So I plot a point here and write there 2 and -2. Last lecture I already explained you this is not right you when you plot a graph. You are only draw a point here. Why not you write this? Because it is you when you are write all the points here, then which is the intersection point that you don't understand. So you do not mention the point here that 2 -2. I am right here for understanding purpose which point is there. So see x coordinate 2, y coordinate -2. So here is I get 2 and -2. Then there is the another, the x and y values are same. So 0 0. So here is that point is at origin 0 0. Then the x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is 2. So here is the x coordinate, it is the -2 and just I am finding where is the +2 on y axis. So here is the +2 and y axis. So here is that point -2 and 2 point. Here is mentioned that -2 and 2 point. Then another point is they are said that is the 5 x coordinate are 5. So it is the positive 5 and y coordinate is -5. So here I get -5. Such a way I point there how many points, 4 points, and all that points can be with help of the scale I can draw a line, and when I draw the line then all the points are coming on a same line. So you can give the name of this line as equation, which is the equation x plus y is equal to 0. That is the equation. So that name is given here. Then there is the another equation y is equal to mean x 2x minus y is equal to 9. So that equation's first coordinate is 0 and -9. So here is the x coordinate is 0. I already explained in the last lecture when there is the point, there is the on which axis there is the that point can be plotted. So here is x-axis 0. So there is not the point is plotted, but they are said y is equal to -9. So we are finding where is the -9. So here is the -9. I get -9. So here I plot point. So this is the 0 and -9. This is the first point. Then 4 x-axis is 4, y-axis is -1. So this is the x-axis 4. I kept there cursor on the 4 and finding where is the -1. Here is the -1. So I plot second point here 4 and -1. Then another point is x-axis is 5 and y-axis is 1. So 5 and 1. So this point is plotted here, the third point. And the last point that 6 on x-axis and y-axis on 3. So this is the point. So such a way all the 4 points is plotted here. So all the 4 points are plotted. That all 4 points plotted are kept with help of the scale. We can draw the line and all the points are coming on that line. So that line name is given 2x minus y is equal to 9. So when x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9, that two lines here intersect here. So that intersection point you are getting 3 and -3. So x-axis is equal to 3 and y is equal to -3. So you are getting answer x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is -3. So that is the answer. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to, you are getting answer x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -3. So this is the question you are asked. Sir, please solve this. I'm giving to you solve for homework, but one of the student is not possible to solve. So by request of that student, I am taken this problem here. Then we are start the exercise 1.3. So in the practice set 1.3, the first questions we are only see, and the remaining problems we can see the new lectures. So what is given? Fill in the blanks with correct numbers. So this is the filling the blanks with correct number, that is come in activities also, or that is come for fill in the blanks only. So here is the question is given here, so that can be right on a screen. See, this is 3 2 4 5. So this is A, this is B, then this is C and this is D. So A, B, C and D. So there is A, B, C, D such a way. So they are said do the cross multiplication, means 3 is multiplying 5. So 3 into 5. Then minus, because the formula is A, B, C, D. So formula is AD minus BC. This is the formula. So remember my student, the formula is AD minus BC. How it is AD? Just see, this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So when you are doing cross multiplication, then A into D, AD minus B into C, BC. So AD, A is the 3 and D is the 5. So this is the filling the blanks, and that filling the blanks I fill here, and that can be shown by the red color. So for understanding purpose, which is the filling the blanks, you must be understand. For that purpose, I am showing this 5 by the red color and showing by underline, because that number is filling the blanks. So I put this value here, minus BC. So what is the value of B2? So here is, this is also the filling the blanks. Empty space is there. I write the answer, that is the 2, but that you must be understand, so that I will show it by the red color. So remember my student, the number which is showing the red color, that is the empty space, and that empty space I fill up. How I fill up? AD. So A into D, A is the 3, D is the 5. So 3 into 5, such a way I put here value. Minus BC, so B value is 2 and C value is 4. So 2 into 4, such a way. 3 5s are 15, so I write here 15. 2 4s are 8, so 15 minus 8, what you are get? 15 minus 8, you are getting 7. So such a way you get the value of this problem is 7. Such a way we are only see only one problem here. Then for remaining exercise we can see later on, means in the new lectures. So homework is only in that you must be solve exercise 1.1 and 1.2. that is the homework for you. So some of the students are thinking that, sir, I am already solved the exercise 1.1, I already solved the exercise 1.2, then why you are saying again? Because remember students, this is the mathematics. So if you want to make mathematics perfect, the mathematics perfect can be made by practice. So if you do practice hard every time, then your problem you can easily solve in the exam. So please solve this exercise 1.2, 1.1 and 1.2. Later on we can see remaining problem of 1.3. Stay home, stay safe, and if you like, you are subscribe this channel. Bye.